Auth0 versus Firebase Authentication. Let's get started. So let's start with Auth0. So Auth0 is a flexible enterprise-focused identity platform offering authentication to OpenID Connect, SAML, MFA, and fine-grained access control. And on the other hand, Firebase Authentication is part of Google's Firebase platform. It provides simple, fast authentication integration for web and mobile apps with support for email, phone, Google, Facebook, and anonymous sign-ins, great for quick deployment. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So first is the Auth0. It is highly customizable login flows. It supports enterprise-level protocols. It has built-in MFA, role-based access, and user management. And lastly, it's good for B2B, SaaS, and custom login UIs. However, the downside is the pricing can get expensive as user base grows. The learning curve is for non-enterprise developers, and it is vendor lock-in concerns for deeply integrated apps. Now, Firebase on the other hand offers extremely easy to set up and integration. It also has seamless with Firebase tools. It also has a free tier generous for small apps, and it's ideal for startups, MVPs, and mobile-first apps. The downside is though, you have less control over advanced login flows, you have limited support for enterprise protocols like SAML, and the UI customization is minimal unless you build from scratch. So use Firebase if you're a solo dev building an MVP or working on a mobile app, and then use Auth0 if you're building a serious SAA product and enterprise-facing app.